Hey guys, happy Tuesday. I hope yesterday's lesson went well for you. Um, Yesterday you worked with just finding two equations and plugging in 1 point for them and seeing if they're in the same line. And you were just clicking on yes or no for that, right? Okay. Today you're going to get something like this. You're going to get two equations. And instead of plugging in points for them, you're just going to see, you're going to graph them and see if they cross somewhere, and wherever they cross, that's your answer, okay? So here's your two equations. I'm going to kind of go back to slope a little bit here, okay? Now remember, in your problems, this is your y-intercept, okay? And then this is your slope, okay? So if I was to plot these, okay, and I'm sorry, I don't have a great graph here or anything, okay? If I was to plot these, and let's just make some little marks here, just going up to 5. You'll have a nice graph to work on in yours, and it's going to actually ask you to graph both of these, okay? Which is pretty easy. You just click on, you'll click on this equation first, you'll graph it, okay? So the y-intercept is 2, so I'm going to start here at 2, right, on my y, and it's saying 1/3, and remember, slope is your change in y over your change in x. So you're going to go up 1 to the right 3, okay? Or you could go down 1 to the left 3. That works too, because they're both negative, right? Negative divided by negative is a positive. There's my line, okay? Let's see if it matches up with anything here from this problem now. So I'm going to graph this one. So I'm going to go up to 3. I'm going to go up 2/3. Or I'm going to go down 2. So I'm going to go down 2 from this guy, remember? Okay, go down 2/3. Ooh, look at that. They both match up on that point. Okay, so if I go to that point, I go over to the left from my origin. I'm at -3, and then I'm at +1, right? So -3, 1. That would be the point where they cross, okay? You're just looking to find the point where they cross. It's a little weird figuring out how to graph them at first, but I think you should be able to do it. You're going to click on one equation, graph it. You're going to click on the next equation, graph it, and then you're going to see the point where they cross, okay? If you have any questions, let me know. I don't think this is very difficult. I do think the IXL is a little bit wonky in terms of it's a little weird how you work through it. But just if you have any questions, just email me, let me know. I think you're going to be fine with it, okay? So today you're going to do, and I'm not going to do too many of these because they're really just repetitive. So you're going to go level J, and then you're going to go to J.AA.2, and you're going to go to a score of 60 for today, okay? Let me know if you have any questions. If you're still really stuck, I mean, I can make you your own little video. Send me the problem, give me the two equations. If you're really stuck, give me the two equations. I'll work through a little video for you and send it back to you, okay? I'm available from 9 to 11 today. So if you have any questions, send them during that time frame, as I have some stuff to do this afternoon, teaching my daughter. She has a little online meet thing too, okay? So I won't be available after 11. Thanks, guys. Hang in there.